महात्मा गांधी में आग लग रही है भाई, मालिया।
The Supreme Court has released a video showing burnt cash allegedly found at the residence of Delhi High Court Judge Yashwant Varma. Now, this revelation has triggered an official inquiry, but many questions remain unanswered. Here's a detailed look at how the situation unfolded. The controversy began when a fire broke out on the night of March 14th in an outhouse at Justice Yashwant Varma's residence. The fire department was called and firefighters quickly brought the blaze under control. However, after the flames were doused, something unusual was reportedly discovered: partially burnt sacks filled with Indian currency notes. Justice Varma and his wife were not at home at the time. They were in Bhopal. Only his mother, daughter, and household staff were present at the residence. The initial assessment suggested that the fire had been caused by a short circuit. However, the discovery of burnt cash raised suspicion. The next morning, on March 15th, some debris and burnt items were removed from the outhouse. Later that afternoon, Justice Varma and his wife returned to Delhi from Bhopal. Around 4:50 p.m., the Delhi Police Commissioner informed Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyay about the fire incident. That evening, the Chief Justice of Delhi High Court escalated the matter to Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna. Following CJI Khanna's instructions, additional details were sought from the Delhi Police Commissioner. Now, the following day on March 16, Chief Justice Upadhyay's registrar cum secretary visited Justice Varma's residence to inspect the storeroom where the fire had occurred. Justice Varma and his private secretary accompanied the official during this inspection. And according to Justice Varma's private secretary, the room was used for storing household waste and was not locked, meaning anyone could have accessed it. The registrar cum secretary noted that burnt debris was still present at the site then. By March 17, the situation had become more serious. At around 8:30 a.m., Chief Justice Upadhyay met with Justice Varma at the Delhi High Court guest house. And during their meeting, the Chief Justice showed him photographs and a video of the burnt cash that had been shared by the police. Justice Varma responded by expressing concerns that he was being framed and that there was a conspiracy against him. Now, this issue got the attention of the highest judicial authority in the country. On March 20th, Chief Justice of India Sanjiv Khanna received the photographs, video evidence, and preliminary reports related to the incident. That evening, discussions were held regarding the possibility of transferring Justice Varma back to the Allahabad High Court. The next day, on March 21st, Chief Justice Upadhyay submitted a formal report recommending a deeper investigation into the matter. Following this, CJI Khanna instructed Justice Varma to submit a written response to the allegations by March 22nd. In his communication, CJI Khanna specifically asked for explanations regarding the presence of cash in the storeroom, details on who removed the burnt money, and the source of the funds. Additionally, the Supreme Court requested call detail records for the last 6 months, as well as a list of officials and security personnel posted at Justice Varma's residence during that period. On March 22nd, Justice Varma submitted his response, denying any knowledge of cash being stored in the outhouse. He questioned why the burnt sacks of money had not been formally recovered or seized as evidence. He also pointed out that neither he nor his family had been shown the alleged burnt currency notes. This response, along with the requested call records and staff details, was forwarded to Chief Justice Khanna for further evaluation. Later that evening, the Supreme Court announced the formation of a 3-member inquiry committee to investigate the allegations. The committee includes Justice Sheel Nagu, Chief Justice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Justice G.S. Santhawalia, Chief Justice of the Himachal Pradesh High Court, and Justice Anu Sivaraman from the Karnataka High Court. This panel will conduct a thorough examination of the case and determine whether any misconduct has taken place. This case has raised several important questions. If cash was indeed found, who placed it there? Was it evidence of corruption, or is it part of a larger attempt to frame a sitting judge? With the Supreme Court now leading the inquiry, the next few weeks will be crucial in determining the truth. More details are expected to emerge as the investigation progresses. What do you think about this case? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express, for more updates on this developing story.